Hello everyone, new subject today. Is it important to have a chronograph for have a resting timepiece? I think no. And I present to you some several timepieces with my cat, like this. Wow. Some several timepieces, like we can see, there is some cool timepiece with no chronograph function, but with nice dressing perfume by the strap or the dial design. This one is my first timepiece, is the Oris Inca block. So cool, with a rally strap and I think a vintage perfume, so racing. Yep, meaning. One of my last timepieces is the Roue, it's a Swiss-made timepiece, so cool, like we can see, nice design. Nice 80s vibes, like we can see, with just small yellow touch, no chronograph, but two nice racing design. Of course, the legend, no, one of my fav, the sternglas with bauhaus design, the topograph. Iota movement, like we can see, sapphire, dome, so cool. Like we can see, the design is so cool, and the hand look like in the air, so cool. The vintage one, the most vintage, Elves with a martini strap, but a full red sunbrush dial, so cool, with blue bezel, match perfectly with the martini. A crazy Russian timepiece, automatic. This one is mechanical, automatic quartz. This one is mechanical on wind, like you can see. So cool. It's a Luch with tachymeter lock and a Gulf design. And of course, the legend of Seiko, the Seiko SKX007. Like we can see, just change the hand for the minutes and the bezel with a rally one. Give to this timepiece a perfect rally touch. Say me what is your five in comments. The Oris, the Roue, sternglas topograph, Seiko of course, Elves vintage or Luch the Russian. Have a good day my follower and meow le chat. Meow meow.